hello, welcome back, and in this video I want to show you how I organized my zine collection, because for some reason I'm really into zines since like beginning of last year, I guess, and I've accumulated quite a lot. But yeah, you can see it here on the shelves. Here, this is all my zines, and I'll show you how I decided to organize them, because it was like stacking here and was all falling apart. And I'm sometimes really a perfectionist when it comes to organizing books or something like that. So here is how it looked like before the organizing. Because all the zines are different sizes, it's stack is kind of fall apart. It doesn't look really pretty, and I was using like a stone to hold it in place. So I decided to organize it and separate it in sections. I took different pieces of cardboard and colored paper, and what I did, I cut separators for it and kind of made it got different categories. Here you can see just like a piece of cardboard I used to separate different sections. Also, as you can see, I bought a basket. It was just like a regular plastic one, and I painted it in a dark brown color. Really nicely holds smaller A6 and A7 zines, and all the A5 zines and other various larger formats just stand here. And yeah, I'm really happy that nothing is falling now, and it's really better. So I brought the categories. Here's, for example, different comics, art zines, and even kind of photo zines, as I could say. Quite a lot of different stuff, and original comics and just compilation zines with art. Here is, I have some kind of educational zines, as you can see, self-care, education, programming, and Creative Commons licenses, a lot of various stuff. And here I have a lot of fanzines, playlists, Star Wars, Code Lyoko, various music zines, surprisingly. Here I have poetry and fiction zines. Some are compilation zines, some of them are just by one author. And quite large fiction. Don't know how to separate it. Some of them are more LGBTQ+ zines, and some of them are more feminist zines. Some of them are both, so they kind of sit in this one large section altogether. If I will have a lot of them, I will probably separate them further. And the last section is basically pair zines and all this kind of stuff, or something which is a little bit harder, I guess, to put in the other categories. I usually put miscellaneous with educational things, but that's more like personal stuff. So yeah, basically that's how my collection is organized now. So if you're interested, maybe in some specific things you've seen in these clips, or maybe you wanna more like long and detailed flip through my collection, you're welcome. Just comment down below. I really want to make some more zine content, because I feel like on YouTube it's quite hard to find some stuff. There's few really cool zine related channels, but otherwise it's pretty hard to find, especially if it's like someone like me who just do random videos once in a while. But yeah, if you want something content, I'm glad to make something, but I'm just don't know what I want to do. I wanna do a video about my zines. I think it would be more like towards the end of the year, because some of the zines are in progress kinda. So when I'll have them finished, it would be more stuff to show. And I have, I think, another video here, which I show my kind of really old zines, and one zine I've made a year ago in collaboration with other people, so if you're interested you can go and watch that one. And also I think I have at least one zine and comics specific haul, so again I will leave it somewhere. I hope that stuff will not overlap each other. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.